Hello, in this video we will see a live practical for the character count program in Data Link Layer. Uh, First of all, we try to understand the algorithm of character count program. There is a two party involved in a network for data sending and receiving. If we talk about the character count program, then sender send the message. For example, the message a sender want to send is that hi. So hi is my message. So at the sender side we need to supply the logic, that is the stop. So stop message will like that. Here we need to apply the logic to count the number of character present into the message, that is the 3. So sorry, 2. So 2 will append 2 will appear in the beginning, then the any special character like has, that is the separator, and the message. So this is the input. Suppose, say for example, our message is like that, welcome. So count the number of character present into the message in welcome. So that is the 7. Then use the hash sign and then the message. So that is the character count program. After that the sender will send this message, that is the 7 has welcome, to the receiver, and receiver get the message something like that. That is the stop message, 7 has welcome. Here we need to write the logic for dstop. So we write the dstop over here, dstop, or the original message is here we need to extract this thing, and we need to supply or find out the message, that is the welcome. And if this welcome and the whatever the message received by the receiver after the disturb, if those are same, then we can say that the character count method program is perfect at the data link layer. There is no error in a program. So this is the logic. Here we will try to implement this program. So right now two party, one is the sender and
second is the receiver.
One minute. Vi. Okay. Suppose my program is, I have one basic program for pipe cp basic sender.c to character count sender.c cp basic receiver.c character count receiver.c. Clear. This is the sender side program. Vi character count sender.c. This is the very basic program for creating a pipe and sending a very basic message to the receiver. Right now there is no use of the pipe, so I comment it. That is the creation of the pipe and opening of the pipe. Enter the message. User will enter the message into the this value, message character error. Then what happen? Stuffing logic will appear over here. Stuffing logic. So for that, first of all we will get the length. S length is equal to str length of the message, and s length. For that we require one library include string.h, that is the essential library for the string operation. Now what we need to do, we here use the printf and introduce one more character variable for stuffing. So suppose the character array is the stuff, where we will store our stuff message stop, and stop is not there, so I use the declare the stop in the beginning 20 stop. What will the first value, that is the slen, and slen is the integer value, so I mention into the integer type, I mention as the integer type value. Second we will append the hash character, and hash character, that is hash is the character, so character c. and third value we will append is the message itself, that is the string or set of characters. So slen second character means has, and third value is the message itself. Let us try and print whether appearing true or not. After stuff percentage s and stuff slash n gcc character count sender.c dash o s. Suppose my message is hi and two stuff at the beginning. Suppose my message is welcome. Total number of character present 7 has n, so that is fine, no error at the center side. Here now we will open this thing, pipe create using mkp4, pipe open. Now what we want to send is not the message but it is the stop, so I use stop variable over here. Open the another window for the receiver. The name of the program for receiver is the vi character count receiver.c. edit. So at the receiver side, let us run this program so we can get better the thing. gcc and dash o receiver sender run the program. The message is Rajesh, 6 character present in it, and here we are not getting what we want to. Probably the thing is not properly implemented. vi, here we send the stuff message, it is fine, and name of the pipe is the pipe, control Z. gcc the mesh. Okay, so at the receiver side we are getting this thing properly. Now what we can do at the receiver side, that is the disturb. So for disturb logic, insert, first of all we will extract the first value, that is the, suppose we are getting over here like that 3 has MCA. So first of all we will try to get this 3 from the array message. So logic for that is, suppose we will take the while loop, while the value stored in our message variable, message of I is not equal to, and up to what, up to has, we will execute this thing, is not equal to has, iterate the while loop, and here I is not declared, so I mention the I with value 0. Now what is required, we introduce one more variable, character array, that is the temp. Temp array will store the number of character present into the message or length, that is the 2 or 3. Say for example, in our case we mention with the 3, it is according to the requirement, is equal to what we can write, that is the message, whatever the thing into the message variable will store into the temp. And do not forget to increase the value of I. Let us print whether the things are properly appear in it. Print f /n temp /n temp is equal to percentage s and temp. Complete the program. gcc run this program, enter message Patel, and here we are getting the Patel, but we get something different value 5, and okay, we are getting correctly, but we need to set something more with the garbage value. Suppose I write like that temp of I is equal to null. So problem of the garbage will not longer available. GCC run the program, message is Patel, and here we get the total number of digit present into the message is the 5. But whatever we are getting right now, it is in the form of the character array. So 5 is not here, we are getting the 5. Say for example, insert n, we are getting the 5, but it is not the 5 integer, that is not the integer 5, that is the character 5, and here we need to convert this character 5 into the integer 5. So there is a function in it, there is a function in C language, the function is a to I, and what you want to convert, whatever the thing present into the temp, I want to convert into the character, not it into the integer. So integer x, it will return the value or set the value integer in x variable, and I declare over here integer x. So right now 5 will not the character 5, but it is replaced with the integer 5. So that is the thing which we want. Suppose we want to now execute the loop for the rest of the, to extract the rest of the information MCA in the case of this in the case of this message. Suppose this is a stop message, we will retrieve the 3 from the beginning of the string using the a to I function, using the a to I function, and we will use insert we will use the another for loop. Say for example, for suppose we are taking the j over here, j is equal to 0, j less than x, j plus plus, complete the loop, complete the loop. Here we will introduce one more variable for the original message, so that is the data. You can use any character array data. So whatever the original message is stored into the data variable, data of j is equal to, data of j is equal to our message stored, stop message stored into the message. So here I mention message of I like that, and j plus plus, and also I plus plus. So it is not required right now. Insert mode /n after stop percentage s like that, and percentage s, and data. Let us check it, and if any error, try to solve it. GCC j is undefined, line number 24, there is an error. Line number 2, check the line number, there is a command set number. Line number 24, j is undefined, so declare the variable, define the variable j with value 0 or like that, run it, and receiver high h. So we are getting the output, but I is missing. Let us check with the another value. Message is Patel, and okay, we are missing only last value. So what we can do for that, receiver edit, probably the reason behind is that for j is equal to 0, okay, j is equal to 0, insert, I think it is wrong, run it, RAM, okay, it is wrong. For j is equal to 0, j less than x, and why this thing is happening. J is less than 8 is fine. Integer delete I is equal to null. Okay, run this program, RAM. Okay, RAM editor. Delete. Okay, insert delete I is equal to I plus 1. Insert run this receiver program, sender program, RAM, and we are getting RAM. Suppose our new value is like that. GCC vi edit mode, insert mode /n shift receiver sender. The name is like Silas, and after stuff we are getting the value like that, has and Silas, and that is the wrong value. Again something is going wrong, right is going wrong. The value of j is equal to 0, the value of I, and I think this is totally wrong. Suppose insert I plus 1 z, run this program, receiver side, RAM, and we are getting RAM. Okay, it's done. And store the last bit, insert using the okay, data of j is equal to supply the null character. So the problem of garbage will solve. Then after RAM, and we are getting RAM. Suppose our input is like that, more our input is having this space vi character count sender dot c. We can set insert not where is not /n, so it will continue up to /n gcc character count sender dot c dash o and c object file. Run this sender and control z shift z gcc /r. Suppose my message is like that, I am a Silas Patel, my name is Silas Patel, so total number of character is equal to 8, so this space is not encountered, something is going wrong. Again introduce syntax scanf %s, it will execute up to not /n home gcc and says o and c character count gcc character count, and okay, suppose my message is like that, Silas Patel 14 characters, so 14 is appending over here, 14 and the after stuff, that is the original message we are getting last time. we check the output, that is the uh, India is best. So India is best having the 13 character is removed. So that is the character count method. Thank you very much for seeing that video. If video is helpful to you, then please like it, subscribe and give the comment for that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.